Motilal Oswal Microcap 250 Index Fund is a fund investing in selected stocks of microcap companies. It is designed to provide investors with a low-risk way to gain exposure to India's promising microcap companies. Motilal Oswal Microcap 250 Index Fund seeks to provide long-term capital appreciation by tracking the performance of the Motilal Oswal Microcap 250 Index. The fund uses a basket of stocks called the Motilal Oswal Microcap 250 Index. It is actively managed to provide the best risk-adjusted returns to its investors. The selected stocks for the Motilal Oswal Microcap 250 Index Fund are chosen based on their fundamentals and business prospects. The fund manager actively monitors the performance of each stock and may make adjustments accordingly. The stocks in the Motilal Oswal Microcap 250 Index Fund are chosen from the mid and small cap stocks of listed companies. This ensures that the fund provides the diversified exposure that microcap investors seek. The fund is designed to provide investors with exposure to some of the most promising microcap companies in India. It is a safe and convenient investment option for those seeking access to microcap markets. The Motilal Oswal Microcap 250 Index Fund provides investors with the opportunity to benefit from the long-term growth potential of Indian microcap companies. The fund follows a strict investment process and applies strict investment criteria to ensure that only the most promising companies are selected. The investments in the Motilal Oswal Microcap 250 Index Fund are diversified across sectors, industries, and companies. This allows investors to benefit from the performance of a broad range of microcap stocks. The portfolio of the Motilal Oswal Microcap 250 Index Fund is actively managed to ensure that it remains diversified and balanced. It is subject to ongoing review and rebalancing. The Motilal Oswal Microcap 250 Index Fund is designed to minimize portfolio risk while providing investors with exposure to the potential growth of Indian microcap stocks. The fund manager has a long-term investment outlook and focuses on stocks with strong fundamentals and good long-term potential for appreciation. The fund follows a bottom-up approach in selecting its stocks, which helps to identify the best long-term opportunities. The fund has the flexibility to invest in sectors that may offer better return potential. The fund manager conducts extensive research to ensure that only quality stocks are chosen for the fund. The fund manager takes an active and hands-on approach in managing the portfolio. He is also aware of any changes in the macroeconomic environment and makes proactive adjustments as needed. The Motilal Oswal Microcap 250 Index Fund is a cost-effective way to invest in microcap companies as compared to buying individual stocks. The fund provides investors with a broad range of exposure to small and mid-sized companies without the need for high transaction costs or research in each stock. The fund is suitable for long-term investors as it provides access to the potential long-term growth of India's microcap market. The fund also provides investors with the opportunity to benefit from the expertise and knowledge of the fund manager. The fund is structured to provide low-cost and tax-efficient access to India's small and mid-cap space. The fund's portfolio is diversified across different sectors, industries, and companies. This diversification helps to reduce the risk of investing in the microcap space. The fund has the flexibility to move into sectors that may provide better returns in the future. The fund manager has the freedom and flexibility to adjust the portfolio as per changes in the macroeconomic outlook. The Motilal Oswal Microcap 250 Index Fund has a low tracking error which ensures that investments are made efficiently and with minimal risk.